everyone, it's your girl Simply Stacy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Pardon my voice, I'm recovering from a cold or sinus infection, allergies, something. I've been sick for about 4 or 5 days. I am getting better, but as you can still hear, I'm not 100% yet. But today I am going to be doing an unboxing of this fragrance. The Herrera Good Girl perfume. So I actually got this at Christmas time and I did not want to open it, even though I have been dying to try it on and wear it out and about, even though I've tried it before at Sephora before Christmas. But I wanted to get this on camera for you guys. So I wanted you to get into this packaging. So as you can see, it's actually in the shape of a D, right? The sparkling gold, and then you see the stiletto, which is the actual shape of the bottle, which is amazing. Okay, so I am going to take it out of the clear plastic wrap. You guys can see, looks like, you know, a hat box. So there's the box on the top, and you have her initials here. Wait, can you guys see them? I see that there's a glare. There we go. Okay. Check out the top of the box. Yes, it has that lovely bold red with the gold writing. And then check out this gift set. So this here is the actual perfume bottle. In the middle is a body cream. And then there's a Shimmering Leg Elixir. Oh my God, I cannot wait to try all of these products. It's really hard to get out of the box, so give me a minute. Oh, it's in here really tight. Okay, how adorable is that perfume bottle? See, it has the white on the bottom. If you all watched my Vlogmas and my Christmas wish list, this was one of the things that was on it. It goes stiletto, navy blue, or graduated blue from here on up. It is just amazing. And it looks so chic in my room. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and spray it. So the actual spray part is right here, and you push in the back of the heel. Oh my goodness, guys, it smells amazing. Oh yes. Oh, I cannot wait. I wish I had a travel size of it, but do you guys know what I do when I'm traveling? Quick tip, quick hints, or something you can do when you're getting ready to go for travel and you want your favorite fragrance and you do not have a travel size. I always go to Sephora because they can give you up to 3 samples. So if you have something to buy at Sephora, you can go and say, I'd like to sample the Good Girl perfume. My other favorite, which I mentioned before, but I don't have any, I'm running out, is Yves Saint Laurent Mon Paris. So I'll ask for a sample of that. And then, you know, an eye cream or something like that. But either way, you can get the small sample sizes, and then you can travel without having your big bottle of perfume, and you can have the fragrance that you want. So I always do that. I will be going to Sephora today because my trip is in a couple of days. I may be already on my trip by the time you guys see this video, but either way, I will be doing that very soon. And what I do after I've used up whatever was in that bottle, I spray from my perfume bottle into that. So you always have a travel bottle, you can always refill it and things of that nature, as long as it's the same fragrance, because you don't want to mix fragrances. But yeah, that is a tip and trick. So I cannot wait to actually use all of this. This is the body cream. Top. Smells good. Smells just as good as the perfume. You know how sometimes you'll get a lotion or a mist or something and it's not as potent as the actual perfume? Oh my God, but it smells just as good as it. See the texture of it. It's a nice texture. I like really moisturizing creams. I have dry skin, so I use shea butter a lot, whipped shea butter, or there's a favorite charity pot from Lush Cosmetics. I love that. I can put that on my skin without having to add any like petroleum based or jelly or Vaseline or type of thing like that. But yeah, so this is more of a lotiony though. It's not as moisturizing as either the whipped shea butter or the charity pot from Lush, but it smells amazing. Yes, it smells amazing. And then lastly is this leg elixir. And as you can see, it's gold shimmer. Look at that. It says that it's body oil. Oh, well that's nice to see how the top of it is. I don't know why. I was thinking it would be a roll-on, but it looks like it just has a pour top. Let's see. Okay. So I'll definitely have to wear that when it's like summertime and your legs are actually out, because right now I have on long johns underneath my pants, and that is how I do in the winter time. But yeah, I cannot wait to try all of these products. I hope you like my unboxing. There you have it, Carolina Herrera, and it is the Good Girl Perfume body cream, and it says it's a body oil or leg elixir. Okay, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what your favorite fragrances are. Let me know if you've tried this one. How do you feel about it? I saw a couple of reviews online and some folks told me that it didn't last as long, but I'm not sure, so I can't wait to try it out to see if it is like a long lasting or if you have to reapply throughout the day. But either way, it smells amazing. Guys, go out and try it out. You can go to Sephora and try it. You can try it at any perfume counter, Macy's, Dillard's, Nordstrom, anywhere. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos, and I have more content coming for you in 2020. Thank you.